Behind the design, Intoeing Gaitplate. This client needed a custom orthotic to address a habitual intoeing pattern. They completed successful treatment-directed testing with a flat polypropylene gaitplate. The aim of this orthotic was to promote a rotational change in gait pattern. They used the DOLA custom orthotic service. They selected the Intoeing Gaitplate from the shell shape options in the digital corrections section of the DOLA detailed prescription form. Key features of an Intoeing Gaitplate include an extension of the front edge of the orthotic shell past the 5th MPJ at an angle to finish behind the 1st MPJ. The length of the gaitplate is prescribed by the practitioner based on the angulation change required. You can indicate the length using the instructions section, marked on a cast or scan, or marked on a template. Ortho tip. A gait plate is a noxious stimulus that acts to change a habitual pattern by making usual function or gait pattern feel uncomfortable. Care must be taken in the appropriate prescription of this orthotic shell shape. Treatment-directed testing is advised prior to prescription. A gait plate can be adjusted or removed with a grinder.